ChatGPT can write emails, create images, research topics, analyze files, help you learn, build ideas, and do a lot more. But when you open ChatGPT for the first time, it can also feel a little overwhelming. Which model should I choose? What are all these tools? Do I need to pay? And where do I even start? That's exactly what this training is going to simplify. I'll take you through ChatGPT step by step with easy examples, so by the end, you'll know exactly what to use, when to use it, and how to get better results. But first, before we explore all those features, there's one thing we need to understand. Which ChatGPT plan should you choose? So let's start with the pricing. ChatGPT currently offers 4 individual plans: Free, Go, Plus, and Pro. If you're completely new to ChatGPT, start with Free. You can chat, search the web, create a few images, and basically experiment without paying anything. Go is for someone who likes the free version but keeps wanting a little more. More uploads, more images, more voice use, and a longer memory. Plus is the plan I'd recommend to most people watching this tutorial. For about 1,999 rupees a month, you get more powerful features, higher limits, and a lot more, which we'll explore throughout this video. And then there's Pro. It's not something most beginners need. It's built for people doing a very high volume of complex AI work. So I wouldn't recommend it as a starting point. Now, ChatGPT has so many features, but which ones do you actually need? And when should you use them? That's exactly what I'll show you in this video, using simple, real-world examples. Let's dive in and go through each one. There are 2 types of chats under New Chat. Chat is for quick conversations and everyday tasks. Example, I would go for chat if I want 5 dinner ideas using paneer. Work is for bigger tasks where you want ChatGPT to actually work toward an outcome. For example, I would use work chat to research my competitors, compare their pricing, and create a presentation summarizing the findings. That's when you use work. Use chat when you want an answer. Use work when you want something done. Let's learn about models and effort. You don't need to set them every time, but you just need to understand one simple idea. The model is the brain. The effort controls how hard that brain thinks. There are 2 models here. GPT 5.5 is for speed, great for emails, rewriting, summaries, brainstorming, and quick questions. GPT 5.6 Sol is for deeper thinking, better for research, coding, analysis, science design, and complex tasks where you want a more thoughtful answer. Once you've picked GPT 5.6 Sol, you also choose how hard it thinks. That's the reasoning level. There are 3: instant, medium, and high. Instant means don't think too much. Just answer quickly. Like, what's the capital of Japan? Medium means think about it a little more. Like, which of these 3 laptops is better for me? High means spend more effort reasoning before answering. Like, analyze my business and tell me why sales are declining. Let's explore ChatGPT skills and tools. These are specialized features such as web search, deep research, image creation, study, and visualize that you can choose depending on what you want ChatGPT to do. Web search gets current information from the internet with sources. Deep research researches across many sources and creates a detailed cited report. Create image generates or edits images with ChatGPT images. Study teaches you a topic step by step rather than simply giving you the answer. Visualize turns information or concepts into interactive visual experiences. In the next few minutes, we'll explore each of these features one by one. Type at in the chat box to quickly see the tools and connected apps you can use. Web search gives ChatGPT newer information. So if I ask what happened in the stock market today, I should use web search because that information is constantly changing. ChatGPT can search the live internet and show me the sources. GPT 5.6, Sol gives ChatGPT deeper reasoning. So if I ask, explain how the stock market works, I probably don't need web search. I need ChatGPT to understand the topic and explain it clearly. I don't really need web search because that's general knowledge. Now, there's something called deep research. And a lot of beginners say, wait, didn't you just show me search? Yes, but they're not the same thing. Let's say I'm buying a phone. If I ask, how much does this phone cost? That's search. But if I say, I am buying a phone under 50,000 rupees, research the best options available in India. Compare camera quality, battery, performance, software support, reviews, and value for money, and recommend the best 3. That's no longer a quick search. That's a research assignment. That's where deep research comes in. It investigates a topic across multiple sources and puts together a much more substantial answer. Think of it like hiring someone. Search is, can you quickly look this up for me? Deep research is, can you investigate this and come back with a report? That's the difference. See how deep research gives us a much more detailed comparison, looking at things like camera, battery, performance, reviews, and value for money before recommending which phone to buy. Now let's say I don't want the answer. Sounds strange, right? But imagine I'm studying. I'm learning Excel, and I ask, what is VLOOKUP? ChatGPT could simply give me the answer. But maybe I don't want it doing the learning for me. I want it to teach me. That's where study mode gets interesting. Instead of behaving like an answer machine, ChatGPT behaves more like a tutor. I could say, I am completely new to Excel. Teach me VLOOKUP using a simple example. So think of study mode as, don't just give me the answer, help me understand it. If you're a student, this is one feature I definitely experiment with. Let's learn about images and product design. They both sound similar, but they serve different purposes. Images means create a picture for me. For example, create a premium logo mock-up for a luxury coffee company. It's great for thumbnails, ads, posters, illustrations, and mock-ups. Product design is available in WorkChat, and it's for figuring out how a digital product should actually work and look. For example, design a food delivery app. Create the home screen, restaurant page, cart, and checkout experience. It covers visual exploration, UX research, and prototype creation, not just a single image. See, it has created the complete product design for my coffee shop. Next is visualize. Visualize makes learning interactive. Visualize is great for explaining complicated topics in a simple, visual, and interactive way. For example, you can explore the human body, click on different parts, and learn how each one works. Here's another useful ChatGPT feature you should know about. Temporary chat. Normally, your conversations can appear in your chat history, and ChatGPT may use memories to personalize future conversations. But sometimes, you just want to ask something without adding it to your ongoing ChatGPT history or memory. That's where temporary chat comes in. To use it, start a new chat and click the temporary button at the top right of the screen. Now you can chat normally, but there are a few important differences. Your temporary chat will not appear in your chat history, And ChatGPT will not create or use memories from that conversation for personalization. The conversation is also not used to improve OpenAI's models. OpenAI may still retain a copy for up to 30 days for safety purposes. One thing to remember, if you have custom instructions turned on, ChatGPT can still follow those instructions during a temporary chat. This is worth mentioning because beginners often mix them up. With Dictate, you speak, and ChatGPT turns what you say into text. You can review or edit that transcription before sending it. So you might tap the microphone and say, "Create a professional LinkedIn post announcing my new course." And ChatGPT converts that into a written prompt. Dictation is basically a replacement for typing. Voice lets you talk naturally with ChatGPT and hear its responses out loud, just like having a conversation. If this made ChatGPT feel a little less overwhelming, that's exactly what this video was for. Try one of these features today and let me know in the comments which one surprised you the most.